everybody. I'm gonna make a video on how to change the computer processing unit, the central processing unit on a desktop computer. This is the desktop computer right here. It's already disconnected. That should be your first step. It's a little dusty. The CPU is located underneath this fan. So you're gonna have to take out these clips, this clip, and clip it. And once you unclip it, it should just come apart. Okay, and there's your CPU. It's a little dusty, but also it has some glue on top. That glue is electric adhesive. It's a thermal component. To remove the CPU, you have to gently lift up this latch right here. After you lift it up, it'll lock in place upright. You gently lift up the CPU. And that's it. This is the back. It has a whole bunch of prongs. The main thing when you're putting it back, when you're putting the new one back, is not to bend one of these prongs, because if you do, then basically you're gonna have to buy a whole new CPU. Okay. Put it back. Make sure you align this gold corner right here, as you can see on the CPU, to the top of this corner on the chipset port. You can't, it won't really fit every single way. It has its own way of fitting in. So once you find it, it should be flat, not wobbly, locked in place. Then you gently pull down the lever, lock it back in place. Sorry about that, I was having some complications. Once you get it on there, you snap it back, you lift back the lever, and you snap it back into place. Make sure the fan is still connected, all your cables are connected. You reattach the side panel to your desktop and connect all the plugs back. Once you connect the plugs back, it's your job to program it with whichever operating system you desire to use. And that's it. Simple step.
Can't wait till this day is over. Can't wait for this day to be done. Can't wait, feel the end is closer.